Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. It's the AA ISO, so it's ArcoLinux plus scripts from Pico, Alice, and then I run my arcolinux-nemesis scripts and boom, voila, we have a beautiful system that I can change instantly because I've installed more stuff that I like, created my own icons to my liking, and voila, we have something totally different as the normal user, average user has, because it's our take on things, it's our icons, our theme, and so on and so on. You can make your personal choices. That's basic probably why we are on Linux. Topic of this video is I told you that I've made a Carli 11, a new one with Calamaris, and I was going to do the next step, that's make it nice. And then make it nice, that's another attempt. This video is another attempt to make you realize the power of this arcolinux-nemesis script that I have, that you can just copy paste, change to your liking. So this is Carli 11, the look of Carli 11, and if we would like to have this after clean install, you can start typing like I'm typing now, Firefox, and then meld, and then Sublime Text, and then this, and then that. Or you can make a list of the things you like and put it inside a script. So you'll find on the github.com/RDubois, you'll find the Nemesis scripts, and you can best what you do is not download the zip, but learn to use git and git clone and all that. So maybe a good practice is create a folder for it somewhere, and then you have it in there, and when you need it you can have a look. Did Eric put anything on this GitHub? And you compare yours with mine. And how easy is it to have yours? Control C, Control V, this is yours. Voila. And you change this thing and you put it back on your GitHub, and that's it. So I'm gonna run my 0. There is this 0, and 0 is basically just run 400. So first remove stuff. If you're on Linux Mint Cinnamon, I would remove hexchat, etc., right? If you are on SUSE, you would think, oh, I don't want this, don't want that. So first get rid of things you don't want, then keep installing stuff. And this is the personal stuff, personal bookmarks and stuff like that. Now you see it's not opening with an editor, right? It's just VI or Nano, I don't know, but it's not what I want. But during the installation, everything comes in. So first we do a clean whatever Linux installation, that doesn't matter, whatever Linux installation, and then we run all this, and it's going to get all kinds of things, and there are different complexities in here. Check out the 100 and check out the 900, and with all that knowledge in those scripts you can make anything. If you want something else to be changed, simple. So take a look at the code, copy paste, change a few words, a few lines, and that's that. So that's the amazing power of scripting. Once it's there, once it's perfected, it's only maintenance. And then suddenly they change the name and they add -GTK behind it. Okay, so the name of the package changed, so will you, and that's it. And the rest is just installing, coming from Arch or coming from, in our case, ArcoLinux repos. I've been perfecting it for the Arch, right? Get the keys. I've been perfecting it for the AA. Well, no, not perfect. Yeah, but this is something else. This is if you wanna build it with QEMU, right? So a script that I'm playing with my first attempt to click, and then QEMU has an AA ISO. So this is for the keys. ArcoLinux guys do not have the repos and nor the keys of ArcoLinux. Some stuff that I kept, probably can delete some stuff in here that I will never use, but educational wise, same reason why it's there. QEMU is here, so if you want to have not VirtualBox, not VMware, but QEMU, run that. VMware is here. This is the personal stuff, this is the fun, this is the tweaking, this is the cherry picking, this is very, very fine-tuning things. I want this and I want that and don't want that and I want this, etc. The auto start applications. I want Discord, Telegram, and a few others to be there. So it's in the lines. I have this K70 keyboard, that's new. And I thought, why not, right? I always keep this rainbow look of my colors, all lights underneath my keys. But you can actually install an application for the keyboard and then you can launch it by default, auto start it, and it's set, right? It's all white with a few things, well, 4 or 5 designs, and you can make hundreds more. I did lose my own designs at some point in time. I went to look yesterday but didn't find anything. So if people have 870 Corsair keyboard designs, that would be nice. I'll show you probably later. There's an error. That's a conflict if what? Go back up. NeoFetch, yeah, that was normal. So Carli has a specific logo, and that's okay. That is not installed. I'm super happy that's not installed. So if I do NeoFetch, we have this, right? So sudo -s NeoFetch. I'll actually remove Carli NeoFetch. So we've created our own package again for tutorials sake. And here's finished. There is something about Carli XFCE, so some things will clash, I see. So yeah, we could write something in the Nemesis script. If this, then that. That's all possible. And that's the fun in ArcoLinux Nemesis, the scripting, the idea to get something 100%. That's just awesome. So if he's on Carli, I'm gonna remove the Carli NeoFetch and then install the proper NeoFetch. Bye. So what you can solve manually, you can solve also then later on. Now we get a penguin. Okay, okay, nice penguin. So that's it for me. I'm gonna play some more. So this is me playing with the Nemesis script. How can I perfect the Nemesis script if I am on Carli? What should it do? And that's great. That's something I'll put probably number 100 and maybe also number 900. We'll see. All right. So let's first reboot so you see what happened now to the system. You've been installing all kinds of things, but so what? There was a shell in there somewhere. So take a look at the code. So now I have this grub, of course, right? It's not the ArcoLinux grub, it's the Carli grub. Doesn't matter, does it? No, doesn't matter. Okay. Doesn't seem like there is any shell done. So let's have a look. If shell works. Shell is now done. Sudo shutdown now. That all works. So there's still a lot of work to do. Come on. Come on. Oh, I know what is going on. Of course, right? So it's not Arch. So all the scripts in number 100 never ran is Carli. So I have to say, all right, if you're on Carli, you need to do this and this and that as well. So the next decision tree there, I should make it clear to him that he's on Carli and he can install all the missing applications that we still have. But as you see, is it good, is it bad? Actually, I think I'm gonna keep the look like this up there. Yeah, why not, right? We'll see. That's decision time. It's great, it's great, it is. All kinds of things to select. Up, we go to this, we go to that, go to this, go to that, all kind of choices. And then we have lots of applications in the meantime, a long list. Tweak tool is there, but the lock screen is there. Super X is not working. So these things I would miss. And sorry, that was by mistake. And F12 I would miss. And Super Shift D menu I would miss. So it is me making decisions, and the point of the video is you should be making decisions with your version of ArcoLinux Nemesis. This one I would remove, LFTP. We have fish installed, but there is no bash RC. Oh, there is. Two fish exists. Yeah, that's okay. Super X is not gonna work. So that means I need to go here and then log out, and then this is not how we do things, right? It's a workflow thing, that's all it is. Ugh, ugly SDM theme there. So, things to do. The whole afternoon will be perfecting the Nemesis script. If you are on Carli, what do you do with the operating system? Right? That's all. So, shut down, and playtime for me. Cheers.